Your ears never had it so good. Galaxy Buds 2 earbuds take your passion for music to new heights with booming sound that makes you feel like you're on stage with your favorite band. Note: if the size of the earbud tips does not match the size of your ear canals or the headset is not worn properly in your ears, you may not obtain the correct sound qualities or call performance. Change the earbud tips to ones that fit more snugly in your ear. Specific uses for product: home, sports, and exercise. Tune out noises. Tune in voices. Active noise cancellation blocks out unwanted sounds, helping you keep your focus wherever you are. Low latency ambient sound mode picks up the sounds you want to hear, so you always have the perfect audio level for every moment. Feels good while looking good. Galaxy Buds 2 have a comfortable, low-profile design that's 10% smaller and lighter than Galaxy Buds Plus. You may get to the end of your playlist before you remember you're wearing them at all. Hear clearly, speak confidently. The Earbuds 3 microphones and noise reduction technology ensures voices are transmitted crisply and clearly, whether you're chatting with a friend or leading a high-stakes conference call. Power worthy of your longest playlist. Indulge your love of music with a long-lasting battery that's up to the job, so your music doesn't stop until you do. Tap for total control. Control your playlist or answer calls with the tap of a finger with touch control. No more fumbling for your phone to change a song. Switch it up. With Auto Switch, the earphones detect what connection you need and instantly shifts audio to that Galaxy device. Shift effortlessly between your Galaxy phone, tablet, watch, or PC.